Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you a quick fix that may help if Counter-Strike 2 isn't launching after the latest update. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, right-click on this button, then select Properties. Head to the Installed Files tab and click Browse. Once the game folder opens, follow this path with me. Open the game folder. Then open bin. After that, open Win64. Here you'll find CS2.exe. Right-click CS2.exe and select Properties. Now go to the Compatibility tab. Make sure Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4 is unchecked. If it's enabled, simply uncheck it. Click Apply, then click OK. And that's it! That's how to fix CS2 not launching after the latest update. If this video helped you out, please leave a like. Subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot. Take care. Bye.